Connecting your phone to your Nissan Altima's Bluetooth system enables hands-free calling, music streaming, and access to apps. First, ensure your Altima is on. Then, on your smartphone, enable Bluetooth and set it to discoverable mode. On the Altima's infotainment screen, go to Settings, then Phone Bluetooth, and select Add Device. Choose your phone from the list. If prompted, enter the PIN, usually 0000 or 1234. Confirm pairing and allow access to notifications and contacts. Test by making a call or playing music. The Altima can remember up to 7 devices for auto connection. Welcome to Section 2, Troubleshooting and Advanced Bluetooth Features. If pairing fails, try resetting the infotainment system by holding the power button for 10 seconds or clearing the list of paired devices. Ensure your phone's software is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Modern Altima models, 2023-2025, support Bluetooth 5.2 for enhanced range and stability. They also feature wireless Apple CarPlay, iOS 15 Plus, and Android Auto, Android 11 Plus. Keep your Nissan Connect app updated for over-the-air firmware updates, improving Bluetooth functionality and security. For older models, check Nissan's support site for firmware updates. Note that some users experience intermittent disconnections in high-traffic areas. Adaptive frequency hopping helps to mitigate this.